Welcome back to AACuber. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the beat pyramids with the beginner method and the advanced method. Now let's get started with the beginner method. The beginner method is very easy. You can solve it with just one algorithm and in 8 moves. Sometimes it could be less than 8 moves, sometimes it could be more than 8 moves, but mostly it would take 8 moves. So here I have scrambled it up and I'm going to choose which face I want to go with. Okay, so in this scramble, there are three colors that you can do in only 2 moves. So I'll go with yellow maybe. So on yellow, these two need to go down here. So I'm going to turn the right side down and the left side also down, and then I'm just going to do a U prime here. And now we have to solve these centers. Mostly you can do it like this, but if you're in a situation where it's like this, you can also do it like this. I'll show you both ways. So if you have these two at the back, so you'll just have to do R prime, L, R, L prime. And the other situation, if you're like this, you'll just need to do the same moves but up. This way, it's going to be on this one, not down here. The pieces are going to be up here. So you're going to do the same moves, R prime, L, R, L prime. And there you go, your beat pyramids is solved with the beginner method. I'm going to be showing the advanced method in this video also. So now I'm going to show you the advanced method. The advanced method is also easy, but you can always solve it in 4 moves. Sometimes it could be less, sometimes, but it could never be over 4 moves. So here I have a easy scramble. Let me just scramble it more so I can show you how I would do this. So now for this method you'll have to do it differently. First I'm going to show you with yellow. So one corner is over here. These 2 corners are over here and they need to go up. But in the advanced method, we're not going to do it like the beginner method. We'll have to make this center come up here when we are inserting the corners. So here, I'm going to hold it like this and turn the right side down, left side up, the right side down, and there we go. We solved it. And that was less than 4 moves. Sometimes it could be exactly 4 moves. I'm going to show you a case right now where it would take sometimes where you have all 4 corners messed up. So here I have all 4 corners messed up. If you have all 4 corners messed up, none of them can be solved in 3 moves. So this time you're going to do it a little bit differently. This time you'll have to choose which corner you want to do last. So here I have these 3 corners that need to go on the green face over here. I'm going to do this one last. So first I'll have to do these moves and see if they would align with the green center. First I'm going to turn the left side up. So I'm going to try and remember where the center would be. So I'm going to turn the left side up. It's going to be over here. Then the right side also up. But then the center would end up over here. We want it over here. So I'm going to try it with the right side. So I'm going to turn the right side up, then the left side up. So the right side would bring it over here and the left side would bring it over here. So that's the right solution. Sometimes if it's not the right solution, then you'll have to go with the next corner and then next. If that face doesn't work, you can change your face. I'm going to do some examples also. So first the right side up, the left side up, the top face, and then the back one. And then we did it in 4 moves. Now I'm going to show you another example if you guys didn't understand. So here we have another one that takes 4 moves. So this time the center is over here. So let's see, which one do we want to do last? Let's say we want to do this one last with the center. So here, if I would do this last, I would hide the center over here. So move this corner over here. Move these two up and move the corner and the center back up. So hide it. Do this. And then I'll move it this way again. And there we go. We solved it in 4 moves. This is a very easy one also. You can solve this one in 4 moves. It's a little easier than the beginner method, but you will have to take more time to see the cube. So let's do one more example. So here I'm going to do yellow again. If yellow doesn't work, then we'll move on to the next phase. So here we have these 3 corners, and I'm going to be doing this one last. So let's see. If I turn this one, if I turn the top one like towards the left, then the center would end up over here. And if I turn this up, it won't, and it does nothing to the center. So that's not the right solution because the center ends up over here, but we want it over here. So let's move this one. So now I'm going to try and move this one first. So if I move this one, the center ends up over here and U does nothing to it. So if I do that solution, there we go. We solved the bead pyramid. Bye!
If you like this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, comment on this video, and last but not least, make sure to smash that subscribe button and make the bell ringing so you can get all my notifications.